Let's explore 4 of China's most breathtaking mountain-top treasures, each so captivating it takes your breath away. First we have Wuyi Mountains' Golden Summit, home to the Heavenly Stairway. Huizhang Temple, perched on a precipice, feels like it's suspended in the heavens. This temple is a masterpiece, built entirely with golden tiles, a priceless sight. When the sun's rays grace it, the entire summit glistens, casting an awe-inspiring glow upon the towering Buddha statues, a sight to remember for a lifetime. Next, journey to Wuyi Mountains' Golden Summit, home to China's largest and highest gilded bronze hall. On stormy days, it's a sight to behold as lightning splits the sky and strikes the Grand Hall, illuminating the summit in a spectacular display of golden light. The scene is beyond captivating. Now, let's ascend to the golden summit of Mount Laojun, renowned as the world's top immortal mountain. The 3 grand halls atop the summit seem like gateways to the heavens, appearing and disappearing amidst the sea of clouds. Ascending these steps feels like stepping into a celestial realm, an experience of unmatched beauty. Lastly, venture to the golden summit of Fanjingshan Mountain, a hidden city in the clouds perched at an altitude of 2,336 meters, split in two by a deep chasm, connected by the ethereal sky bridge. This place is a true wonder, offering unparalleled thrills and breathtaking distance. Have you visited any of these magnificent peaks? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's discuss these mesmerizing wonders together.